What's up guys, today we're going to focus on reasons you don't want to purchase the Tesla Model Y. Now don't get me wrong, the Model Y is an incredible car and I personally love it. That's why I have two of them. But as with any purchase, it's important to consider both the pros and the cons before making a decision. So in this video, I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you might not want to purchase a Tesla Model Y. It's crucial to keep in mind that these factors may not hold the same weight for every individual. The perception of these points can vary greatly depending on personal preferences and priorities. What may be seen as a potential drawback for some could be insignificant or even negligible for others. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. One of the biggest challenges that new Tesla owners face is getting used to the charging process. Unlike traditional cars where you can simply pull into a gas station and fill up your tank in a matter of several minutes, electric cars are a bit different. While Tesla's supercharging network is comprehensive and growing, it still takes a bit longer to charge a car than it does to fill up a gas tank. For example, it takes about 15 minutes at a supercharger to get around 200 miles of range charged. I personally don't see this as a downside per se, because every few hours on a road trip, I tend to either stop for food, a snack, or just some fresh air at a rest stop. The good thing about Tesla's supercharging network is that they are strategically placed either around shopping centers, strip malls, or other convenient locations. In order to make the most out of your Tesla, you'll need to plan your trips, taking into account the time you'll need to spend charging your vehicle. This can be a big adjustment for many people, especially those who are used to the convenience of traditional gas stations. But supercharging is primarily for road trips. The main way you should be charging is at home, and arguably it's faster than a gas station. Stay with me. It only takes a few seconds to plug in your charger and let your Tesla charge up over a few hours or overnight. Then you simply go about your commute without having to worry about range, and you've saved more time this way in some ways. One aspect of owning a Model Y is that you need to be aware of the potential accelerated wear and tear on tires. This pretty much goes for any EV. The exhilarating acceleration that EVs are known for, notably Teslas, when launching from a standstill to 60 miles an hour in just a matter of seconds, can put a significant strain on the tires. As a result, if you have a heavy foot and enjoy the thrill of fast acceleration, you may find that your tires wear out quicker compared to other vehicles. For instance, you may find that your tires start to lose their effectiveness after about half the mileage lifespan of the tires. Beyond this point, continuing to drive on the worn-out tires can compromise your safety on the road. It's crucial to prioritize your safety and replace the tires promptly. But don't worry quite yet, I've seen plenty of people get a ton of miles out of their tires before needing to replace it. These people don't have a lead foot, however, but they do enjoy the acceleration from time to time. I wouldn't put the tire wear and tear at the top of my worry list, as it's not like your tires will go bald after a few accelerations. I personally enjoy the acceleration and the instant torque of the Model Y performance. While tire wear may be a downside of owning a Tesla, it's important to recognize that this is a trade-off for the incredible performance and the exhilarating driving experience the car offers. By maintaining proper tire care, including regular rotations, alignments, and monitoring your tire pressure, you can maximize the lifespan of your tires and mitigate the impact of accelerated wear. The third thing is no spare tire. Yes, you heard that right, the Tesla Model Y does not come with a spare tire. While this might not be a big deal for some, it can be a major concern for others, especially those who frequently drive in remote areas with limited access to repair shops. So if you're someone who values having a spare tire as a safety net, the absence of one in the Tesla Model Y could be a significant drawback. When it comes to dealing with unexpected flat tires or blowouts, having a spare tire has long been a comforting reassurance for drivers. Unfortunately, in the case of the Model Y, that safety net is notably absent. Instead of a traditional spare tire, Tesla does offer roadside assistance and free towing within 50 miles as long as you are under warranty. While this might not raise eyebrows for some individuals, it can be a cause for concern, especially for those who frequently embark on road trips or find themselves driving through remote areas with limited access to repair shops. The absence of a spare tire means that if you encounter a punctured tire or a more severe tire-related issue, you'll need to rely on roadside assistance. However, I do have a potential solution to this problem that will give you a peace of mind when traveling. I'll link some tire repair kits I recommend in the description below. These kits typically include items like a tire sealant and an air compressor, which are intended to provide a temporary fix for minor tire damage. While the solution can prove useful in certain situations, it's important to note that it may not be sufficient for more significant tire issues, such as sidewall damage or a complete tire failure. For drivers who prioritize peace of mind and prefer having a spare tire readily available, the lack of this essential component in a Tesla Model Y can be a legitimate concern. It means that if you find yourself in a situation where a tire cannot be effectively repaired using the kit, you'll need to rely on a towing service or roadside assistance to address the problem. This can lead to potential delays and inconvenience, especially in remote or rural areas where assistance may not be readily available. One aspect of the Tesla Model Y that some people may find unusual or even off-putting is its braking system, specifically the implementation of regen braking. It's important to note that this perception stems from a lack of familiarity with this innovative feature rather than any inherent flaw. Teslas come equipped with a unique feature called regenerative braking, and this technology harnesses the kinetic energy produced during deceleration and converts it into electrical energy, which is then used to recharge the battery. While regen braking offers several benefits, such as increased energy efficiency and extended range, it does require some time for traditional drivers to adapt and get accustomed to its behavior. At first, the regen braking system may feel different and somewhat aggressive compared to the conventional braking systems. It takes practice to fully understand and harness its capabilities. If you're not familiar with regen braking, you might find the braking experience to be odd or unconventional. With a short period of acclimation, usually within 10 to 20 minutes of driving, most Tesla owners begin to appreciate and enjoy the benefits of regen braking. As you become more familiar with its behavior, you'll recognize just how effective and efficient it is in real-world driving situations. The ability to recapture energy during deceleration not only enhances the overall driving experience, but also contributes to extended range and reduced reliance on conventional braking mechanisms. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Also, tick that notification bell to not miss a single video. Your support means a lot. Now as a side note, I've got some incredible news for you as well. Brace yourselves because the long-awaited referral program is back and it's better than ever. You now get 1,500 credits if you use someone's referral link to purchase a Model Y or a Model 3, and 2,500 credits if you purchase a Model S or a Model X. These credits can be used to unlock a variety of exciting perks and upgrades. You can redeem them for supercharging miles, for example. With 1,500 credits, you'll get 500 supercharging miles. But it doesn't stop there. Tesla is also running an exciting raffle where 500 credits will give you a chance to win one of the first Cybertrucks off the production line. Imagine being among the first to own this futuristic beast. They also have other things you can redeem your credits for, such as Tesla sipping glasses, t-shirts, and hoodies. And for those looking to enhance their Tesla experience, you can use your credits to get practical accessories like a roof rack or floor mats, perfect for customizing your ride. But here's the real game changer: software upgrades. If you've got your eye on an extra thrill, the acceleration boost can be yours for 9,500 credits, shaving off half a second from your Model 3 or Model Y long range's 0 to 60 time. Want to take it even further? Enhanced Autopilot, a $6,000 software upgrade, can be unlocked with 55,000 referral credits. But it gets even better. You can get full self-driving for 120,000 credits. If you're interested in taking advantage of these referral benefits, be sure to use my referral link in the description below. It's a win-win situation because not only will you enjoy the perks of the Tesla referral program, but you'll also be supporting this channel. While traditional gas cars allow you to refuel at gas stations conveniently located everywhere, owning an EV can come with range anxiety. If you plan on taking long road trips, you'll probably have to factor in the time it takes to stop at these superchargers and recharge your car. You can use the car's built-in navigation system and it'll tell you where and when to charge and how long it'll take. This is very accurate as it takes in real-time data from your driving and projects everything. You can also use a betterrouteplanner.com, and this is a third-party website that plans routes for EVs, and it too is very accurate. Now don't get me wrong, Tesla has undoubtedly made tremendous strides in establishing an extensive network of supercharger stations across the United States and other parts of the world. These superchargers are designed to provide rapid charging for Tesla vehicles, allowing you to replenish your car's battery at much faster rates compared to a standard charging method. It's an impressive feat and a significant step towards enhancing the practicality of electric vehicles. However, if you're someone who is completely new to the world of EVs and Teslas, range anxiety can be a legitimate concern. Now this next one may not be the ideal choice for car enthusiasts, and it's the limited ability to modify your vehicle. One of the defining aspects of car culture is the opportunity to personalize and enhance your ride, whether it's through performance modifications, aesthetic upgrades, or participating in racing events. Unfortunately, with the Model Y, this car customization experience is significantly curtailed. When we think about iconic car scenes like the JDM culture, enthusiasts have the freedom to modify their cars extensively to improve various aspects, from engine performance to handling and visual appeal. However, with a Tesla, the options for modifications are restricted, and any alterations that go beyond Tesla's approved guidelines can potentially void the warranty, especially when you're tweaking with a high voltage battery or the motors. Tesla's commitment to delivering high-performance electric vehicles means that their cars are already engineered to be exceptionally fast and efficient right off the production line. This leaves little room for traditional performance upgrades, as Tesla's cutting-edge technology and optimized design already maximize the vehicle's acceleration and speed capabilities. So if you were hoping to experience the thrill of swooping up your ride and participating in the racing culture, the Model Y might not align with those expectations. Now there is an exception. There is a way you can improve your acceleration and it will not void any warranties. You can purchase the acceleration boost for the long-range Model Y. This is a software upgrade and it costs $2,000. It shaves off about half a second from the 0 to 60 time. If you're an iPhone user who relies on the seamless connectivity and familiar interface of Apple CarPlay, or an Android user who enjoys the convenience of Android Auto, you'll be disappointed to learn that these features are not available in Tesla vehicles. Instead, Tesla has developed its own proprietary software that powers the infotainment system. While some may argue that the absence of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is a drawback, it's important to note that Tesla's software is purpose-built and integrated specifically for their vehicles, ensuring optimal performance and a cohesive user experience. Tesla's software ecosystem provides a range of features and functions that cater to the needs and preferences of Tesla owners. From controlling various aspects of the vehicle such as climate control settings and charging, to accessing the navigation, media, and communication features, the Tesla software offers a comprehensive suite of functionalities. In my opinion, Tesla software surpasses the capabilities of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as it's designed to seamlessly integrate with the car's hardware and provide a cohesive and intuitive user experience. Tesla's approach allows for greater customization and optimization, ensuring that the software is tailored to the specific requirements and capabilities of their vehicles. By developing their own software, Tesla has greater control over the user experience, security, and software updates, ensuring that owners receive the latest features and improvements directly from the manufacturer. Let's delve into the final reason, which sheds light on an important consideration when it comes to owning a Tesla, and it's Tesla service centers. While Tesla's service network is continuously expanding, it's essential to recognize that the high demand for service and repairs can sometimes lead to delays and longer than anticipated wait times. One significant factor contributing to potential service center drawbacks is the sheer popularity of Tesla vehicles. With an ever-increasing number of Teslas on the road, the demand for service and repairs has surged, creating a situation where service centers may struggle to keep up with the influx of customers. As a result, service centers can become crowded, making it challenging to secure timely appointments and potentially leading to extended wait times for repairs or maintenance. Whether you're seeking assistance for accident repairs or warranty-related issues, it's important to brace yourself for the possibility of longer than expected wait times at Tesla service centers. The combination of the growing Tesla vehicle fleet and the limited number of service centers can result in a backlog of service requests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell to not miss a single video. Also, comment your thoughts down below on the Model Y. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.